Okay, I want to take a little closer look at this Jeep. What's interesting is this plate here. You see winches bolted to it, and it seems like it's CJ5 or something. And where this rear is, I'm not sure what I have here. It was a V8 in this. There's the motor mounts, and then this steering linkage. Let's put the gearbox under here. Real convoluted for the V8. And then the firewall's cut out, I guess, for the V8. That doesn't make sense, does it? There's the tags. It's a 2A tag on that bottom one. See, it's got the flip-up headlights. This one's a wreck. Yeah, and the master cylinder I'll put up there. I think this is a military hood. It's got the deflector, and it's got suppression strap. So, boy, really is a mix match. Big old drum brakes. So, don't know what I really got here. A little everything. Thought it'd be great because I got really nothing to go with here. To drop a small diesel would be a dream machine, but I wonder how practical that'd be. You see people put TDI Volkswagens in them, and even Kubotas. But I got no transfer case, no transmission. So I really got to start from zero here for this steering mechanism. That was really a science project. Wow. The way he went through all that makes me want to drop a V8 in it just because it's all done. Okay. All right, gives me more to think about.